This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty. Thank you so much for watching. Today we have the exciting pleasure to tour one of my new exclusive listings. It's called Villa Sueños, which means Villa of Dreams. Here we are in the gated luxury community of Hacienda Pinilla. We're at Los Almendros 66, and I'm about to show you one of the most incredible, brand new, gorgeous houses you've ever seen. Come enjoy this beautiful property tour with me today. As you walk into this gorgeous villa, you're greeted with these 12-foot high custom teak doors, and you're entered to this 20-foot high amazing space. Here, this villa is 7,600 square feet. There's 4 large bedrooms, each with their own ensuite, and there's also 3 half baths. Each space in this beautiful home was crafted meticulously so you have amazing experiences. Check out the lighting across the floor, the details of the teak ceiling, this beautiful black and white kitchen, this gorgeous living room. Everything is simply divine. The owners have thought of everything in the house. Here you've got this beautiful coffee station with a TV, and you've got every cupboard stocked with wine glasses, plates, everything to entertain your friends and family. Check out this fridge. It's got a video camera inside so you can see what's inside your fridge. In the downstairs master bedroom, you've got 2 walls that have floor-to-ceiling glass. You can overlook the beautiful pool, the jungles, and you've got a king bed and a gorgeous shower as well. Walking from the living room to the guest bedroom, you've got this gorgeous, beautiful garden behind you. You've got a door that opens up to your incredible backyard, and you head to this large guest room. This oversized guest suite has 2 king beds. It has views of the jungle from both sides and has a gorgeous ensuite bathroom with 2 sinks, an outdoor shower, and these gorgeous touches of wood. I love the use of the glass and the wood in this house. It feels so warm and modern. Here we're going to go up this teak staircase and check out the 2nd floor. Here on the 2nd floor, you've got an area enclosed in glass. You have your own office desk, which looks the beautiful jungle, and you also have a TV room where you can have 2 separate places being entertained at the same time. Here we are on the 2nd floor master. It's fit for royalty. You're at the tree top. You've got doors that open on both sides. It's simply stunning and gorgeous. I love this furniture. Getting clean in Villa Sueños is absolutely a dream. Here you can have an indoor shower with a special hand spray shower, or you can have an outside bathtub or an outside shower in the jungle. an amazing view it is up here on the second floor master balcony. You get to see the pool, and you're right on top of the trees with the tropical birds and the monkeys. Here we are in the fourth bedroom of the house. You've got a queen bed, a balcony, and you also have a gorgeous ensuite with an outdoor shower. This backyard is simply a tropical oasis. The pool is so refreshing, and check out, we have these tiny LED lights they imported so that the pool glows at night. This is one of the biggest terraces I've ever seen. There is 4 outdoor spaces out here for your friends and family to enjoy. You've got a living room here. You've got a second living room here. You've got a dining room set. You've got chairs to enjoy in the pool. You've got a reading nook, and you even have a fire pit. Los Almendros number 66, Villa Sueños, is located in one of the most sought-after communities here in Costa Rica. It's called Hacienda Pinilla. Here you will find 4,500 acres to explore. There is hiking and biking trails, there's farms with cows, there's an equestrian center, a golf course, tennis courts, pickleball courts, a beautiful beach club with one of the best surfing spots in all of Costa Rica. This is a beautiful place to call home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this beautiful property tour with me today. If you have any questions about it, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com. Give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. And if you've enjoyed it and want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to our channel below. Have a great day. Pura vida.